Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this video on how to save yourself during an earthquake. In this video, we'll be discussing some tips and strategies to help you stay safe and protect yourself in the event of an earthquake. Tip number 1. Drop, cover, and hold on. The first and most important step is to drop, cover, and hold on. When you feel the ground shaking, immediately drop to the ground, take cover under a sturdy piece of furniture or against a wall, and hold on until the shaking stops. This will help protect you from falling objects and debris. Tip number 2. Stay away from windows and glass during an earthquake. Windows and glass can shatter and break, causing serious injuries. Stay away from windows and glass and take cover under a sturdy piece of furniture or against a wall. Tip number 3. Stay indoors until the shaking stops. If you're inside during an earthquake, stay indoors until the shaking stops. Do not try to go outside or run for safety, as you may be exposed to falling objects or debris. Tip number 4. If you're outside, stay in the open. If you're outside during an earthquake, stay in the open and away from buildings, trees, and power lines. Move to a clear area and crouch down low to the ground to protect yourself from falling objects. Tip number 5. Have an emergency kit ready. It's important to have an emergency kit ready in case of an earthquake. Your kit should include essentials like food, water, first aid supplies, and a flashlight. Keep your kit in a safe and accessible location so that you can grab it quickly in case of an emergency. Remember, earthquakes can be a dangerous and unpredictable natural disaster. However, by following these tips and strategies, you can help protect yourself and stay safe during an earthquake. Remember to drop, cover, and hold on. Stay away from windows and glass. Stay indoors until the shaking stops. Stay in the open if you're outside, and have an emergency kit ready. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips will help you stay safe in the event of an earthquake. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. How to